Right now, Seedance 2 is considered one of the best AI video generation models available, but the problem is, it has only been officially released in China. However, in this video, I'm going to show you a method that may allow you to test Seedance 2 from anywhere in the world. You just need to follow a few conditions carefully. First, go to this website, chatcut.io. This platform provides access to Seedance 2. The method I'm about to show you worked perfectly in my case. It may work for you too, so watch carefully. Scroll down to the footer of the website where you'll find a Discord link. Click it. This will take you to the ChatCut Discord invitation page. If you don't have a Discord account, create one and join the server. Once you join, you'll enter their community server. If you're new to Discord, it might look confusing at first, but don't worry, it's very simple. In the community section, you can chat with other users in the general channels, but what we need is the codes section where you'll find multiple invitation codes. Some of these codes may be expired, but they are updated regularly. You can also ask the community for working codes. In my case, I copied one code and pasted it into the ChatCut site. It showed as expired. Then I tried another code, and this time I got a green tick, which means it worked. After that, I signed up using my email, and the platform gave me 200 credits, so it's not fully free, but enough for testing. If you click on Share Invite Code, you'll get 3 additional invite codes that you can use with other email accounts to get more credits. You can also purchase credits, but for testing, the free ones are enough. Next, I selected the Seedance beta option. Now we need a prompt, so as usual, I used ChatGPT for help. I asked, act as an AI film director and generate a 15-second action scene showing Deadpool fighting Harley Quinn. ChatGPT generated a full cinematic prompt. I asked it to provide the prompt in a single paragraph, copied it, pasted it into ChatCut, and clicked Generate. Since you're using free credits, video generation can take 15 to 60 minutes, which is long but acceptable for testing. However, there's one more issue. ChatCut does not allow copyrighted characters. It returned a warning asking me to use a safer prompt. So here's the smart workaround. I generated a scene image using Nano Banana, then went back to ChatGPT and asked for a safer version of the prompt, uploaded the image to ChatCut, and used that instead. After waiting about 10 minutes, the platform generated a result. You can drag and drop it into the canvas and export the video.
Well, this is a colorful surprise.
Still a pain in the neck, but you're okay for a merc.
My first result looked a bit goofy, but remember, this was just a test. Next, I tried a more serious example. I asked ChatGPT, create a Kill Bill-style action scene where a beautiful Chinese warrior fights enemies, ultra-realistic, 15-second perspective, and provide a seed image prompt. I generated the seed image using Nano Banana, uploaded it to ChatCut, pasted the prompt, and generated the video again. This time, the result was much more impressive. The fighting motion looked realistic, and the cinematic feel was strong. This is the only working method I found so far, so I wanted to share it with you. If you face any issues, you can ask in their Discord community. Users are also sharing their Seedance 2 results there, and some of them are seriously impressive. If this video helped you, let me know whether this trick worked for you. Keep in mind, this method isn't fully free or 100% reliable, but it's definitely worth trying for testing. And within this week, or maybe next week, Seedance 2 might roll out globally. I'm personally excited to test it more, especially alongside Kling 3. See you in the next video.